Ladies and gentlemen, I extend you a very warm welcome on my YouTube channel. I am Radhika Kaushik, and in this video we are going to focus on 10 most commonly mispronounced words in English. So without any further ado, let's dive right in. So the first word we have is this. People mispronounce this word and call it salmon, as we can see letter L in this word. But the correct way to pronounce this word is salmon with silent L. Salmon. We ate salmon last night. Wait, we are vegetarian, then how could we eat salmon? Whatever. Number 2. Quite popular these days. How do you pronounce it? Do you call it Wednesday? No, the right way to pronounce it is Wednesday. Drop letter D. Wednes and day. Wednesday. I am having test on Wednesday. Moving to the next one. Number 3. To pronounce this word correctly, we have to pronounce only first letter of the word. That is letter Q. So the correct pronunciation of this word is Q. Drop other letters. There was a long queue outside the bakery. Ballet, not ballet, ballet. Ballet. It is a form of dancing. For example, there will be a ballet performance in the auditorium tonight. The pronunciation of this word is quite similar to junk. Monk, junk, not monk. Monk, junk. Monks are chanting the holy hymns from the Rig Veda. Alright, we have come to number 6. This is the most common ingredient which we add while baking cake. So how do you pronounce this? Cocoa? No, it is not the right way. The right way to pronounce it is cocoa. Cocoa powder. Drop letter A. Ivory Coast is the largest producer of cocoa powder, for example. Alright, so how do you pronounce this word? Some people say it's often and some say it's often. Now which one is correct? Now it is crucial to mention that both the pronunciation are 100% correct. You can use any. For example, we often make mistakes, which is true. So the next word we have is this. It's not jewelry, it's jewelry. Jewelry. For example, this is an exceptional piece of jewelry. Let's move ahead. Most of the time, the word pronunciation is often mispronounced. Yes, you have heard me correctly. The correct pronunciation of this word is pronunciation, not pronunciation. It's pronunciation. And this is pronounce, while this is pronunciation. For example, good pronunciation enhances your communication skills. So we are tempted to call it colonel, but it's not the right way to pronounce it. The correct pronunciation of this word would be colonel. Colonel. And this word comes from Old French. That's the reason why it has different pronunciation, you know. For example, the colonel ordered his troop to attack the enemy. That's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. And always remember that positivity and knowledge always increases on sharing. So make sure to share this video as much as you can and do subscribe to learn more English.